Mauritius is by far one of the best travel destinations in the world, and to prove this, the country in the past recent years has been voted the world's leading island destination. Besides this East African island nation is also the second richest African country in terms of gross domestic product per capita, and as it stands today, it's valued at $23,841,000 according to the World Bank. More to add on this is the fact that Mauritius is the one African country that has the highest literacy levels, and it's believed that at least 90% of the people in Mauritius can at least read and write. No wonder the country keeps attracting tourists from all over the globe, and in this video we share the top attractions in Mauritius for anyone planning their trip to this beautiful island nation. But if you're new here, welcome. On the channel we share great stories about the African continent, so for more future videos be sure to like, subscribe, and also share this video with someone that you know would love to learn about the African continent. Limone is a very historical place in Mauritius. This is the place where slaves would hide as they tried to escape from the slave traders and their masters. Limone is a special place in the country, and today it's also one of the listed UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Mauritius. If you love history, this is definitely one of the places that you shouldn't miss out on your trip to Mauritius, because it will teach you a lot about the country. Grand Bailly is filled with beautiful beaches, a fishing village, and also it's a great entertainment place. This is considered the main tourist hub of Mauritius, so you should definitely be here. If you're someone that loves water, there are quite a number of activities that you could take on in Grand Bailly, and amongst these, you could go windsurfing, scuba diving, or else sail on these waters. It is still in Grand Bailly that you'll find the great bazaars and the markets here, where you could pick yourself some souvenirs and also many other antiques that will symbolize your trip to Mauritius. Visiting Cameroon will require you to take your camera along with you, because here you will find the beautiful 7-colored earth rocks that were formed as a result of volcanic rocks cooling at different temperatures. It is still here in Cameroon where you could check out the Cameroon waterfalls. I must say these are the highest waterfalls in Mauritius, and they stand at 100 meters high. There are different viewing points to these waterfalls, and this will enable you watch and also take some awesome video footage as the water crashes onto the rocks. Port Louis is the capital to Mauritius, and definitely one of the best places to visit while you're in the country. This is simply because while here, you get to experience Mauritian culture, as the city brings people from all corners of the country to come and look for a better livelihood. This great city is influenced by cultures from Africa, Europe, and Asia. So definitely there's a lot to learn and also experience as you interact with the locals in this beautiful city. Here you'll get to taste Mauritian cuisines, the dances, the languages, and much more for you to have a full experience of Mauritius. If you love the wildlife, the Franco-Legat Reserve will definitely be the perfect place for you. Here you'll find the Aldabra giant turtles that are left to roam in the natural surroundings. These turtles are over 1 million in number, and tourists that come to visit are able to interact with them. While at this same reserve, you could also take a guided tour to the nearby caves as the tour guides explain the geological history of Mauritius. For our Swahili lesson, we look at the verb kupanda, which translates as to climb. So if we are to use this in a sentence, we would say, unaweza kupanda moti huyo? Which is a question to mean, can you climb that tree? So if you're with a friend or maybe a colleague and you're trying to ask them if they can climb a tree, this is basically how you would put it in the Swahili language. And of course, if you would like to learn the Swahili language, which is one of the most spoken languages on the African continent with over 200 million speakers, we created an easy to learn Speak Swahili for Beginners course that basically takes you from A to Z for you to be able to learn and speak Swahili like a native speaker. To enroll for the course, check out the link in the description of this video. Well, that's Mauritius and the top attractions in this beautiful island nation. In the comments, let us know, have you ever thought of visiting or taking your vacation to Mauritius? Do not also forget to like, subscribe, and also share this video with someone that you know would love to learn about the African continent. Thank you so much for watching. We recommend you watch this next video to learn more about Africa.